Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show the front cutting. In the previous video I have shown the back cutting and the sleeves cutting. Now I'll show you how to mark the front cutting. Now I'll show you how to take measurement for the front. This is the neck width. Neck width will be 2.5. The back will be extra and the front will be less. From here to here we have to take a chest round. Chest round will be 9 and the waist round will be 8. And the full length last it was 14.5. Now you have to take 15 for stitching for front, and the neck deep will be 7 and the neck width will be 2.5. Full length is 14.5 plus 1 inch extra for front. Neck width will be 2.5 and shoulder putty will be 2 3 4. This will be the shoulder putty. Chest round is 9 plus 1.5 for stitching 10.5 and the waist round is ready. Waist round is ready 8 plus 1.5 for stitching plus 2.5 inch for back dot, that will be 12. The waistband will be 3.5, 3 and 3.5. Now I have drawn this diagram. From here to here will be the shoulder, this will be the arm length, the chest round and the waist round. The full length will be 15.5. Now I will show you how to mark on the paper. This is the neck width 2.5 and this is the shoulder putty 2 3 by 4. And whatever we take 2.5 and 2 3 4, the arm length will be same 5.25. This will be the 5.25. From there we have to take for the chest round. Chest round ready is 9 plus 1.5 extra for stitching, that will be 10.5. Then from the shoulder you have to take a full length for 15.5. Front will be, back will be 14.5 and front will be 15.5. 1 inch extra for the front. Now we have to mark for the waist band. Waist round will be ready will be 8, 1.5 for stitching and 2.5 inch for back dot. From down we have to mark for 3.5 for waistband. Then 3 will be from the center and from the last it will be 3.5. From down the waistband will be 3.5. From center it will be 3. From the corner it will be 3.5. Join the lines. Start from 3.5, then 3, then go back to the 3.5. Then this will be the chest round. Join all the lines. Now I am going to cut the front. Now I am cutting the front. This is the waist round. This is the waistband. And this goes to the chest round, the arm round. We have to measure according to the blouse, then we have to do the cutting. You also same thing, you have to measure according to your blouse, then do the cutting. First we have to cut the paper. This is the neck. We have to cut the paper according to the measurement, then place it on the material, then cut on the material. This is the waistband. I am cutting the waistband. This is the front chest portion and this is the waistband. This is the 1 meter blouse piece I have taken for the blouse. I have folded for half. Then I'll use the paper on this and I'll show you how to cut the blouse piece. The back portion should be in the closed side. This is the closed side and this is the open side. The back should be in the closed side. Place like this. Then the front should be in the open side. Back should be in the closed side. and the front should be in the open side. Now I'll arrange the sleeves. Sleeves will be in this corner. Whichever is less, we have to join the pieces, both the sides. I am folding for 1 inch. And place it here. This I have folded for 1 inch because now we are going to stitch a dot here. This waist round will become less. That's why I have folded for 1 inch. I am not taking any extra. I am marking exact because in the paper cutting I have taken extra for the stitching. Whichever is less in the sleeves, while stitching I have to join the pieces for the sleeves. Now I will do the cutting. This is the back, front, waistband and sleeves. Now I have finished the sleeves cutting. This is the sleeves. Waistband we want 4. I have got only 2. For one side we want 2. For two sides we want 4. Now I have cut 2 in this material and 2 I cut in the another color because I don't have this color. This is the front. I got it both the side. And this is the back cutting. Now I have done the cutting for the blouse. In next video I am going to show you how to stitch the blouse. This is the normal blouse.